Hello everyone! In this video, we'll walk through how to sell services on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your Shopify store to sell your services seamlessly. You can follow along using the link to Shopify for just $1. Let's get started. To sell a service on Shopify, you'll treat it as a product. While Shopify doesn't have a built-in option specifically for services, the setup is straightforward. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the product section. From there, add your service as you would any regular product. Click Add Product. In the title field, type the name of your service. For example, if you're offering fitness training, you can simply write Fitness Training. In the description field, provide details about your service, such as what's included or what customers can expect. If you have relevant images, such as promotional graphics or photos, you can upload them here, but it's optional. Next, set your pricing. Decide how much you'll charge for your service. For example, if a standard session is $5,000, you'll enter that as the price. If you offer variations, like a combined cardio and fitness session for $10,000, you can add that as a variant. Scroll down to the inventory section. Since services don't involve physical stock, you can turn off inventory. This step removes any shipping details from the checkout process, as they aren't needed for services. If you offer variants of your service, click on Add Options. Assign a price to each variant. When done, save your product. Customers will see the details, select the service they want, and proceed to checkout. To enhance your service listing, you can use Shopify's meta fields. These allow you to add extra details or custom fields to your service page. For instance, you can create a text box where customers can provide specific requests or instructions for their service. To set this up, go to Settings at the bottom left, then select Custom Data. Under the Products section, click Add Definition. Name your field like Custom Requests and select the field type, such as single-line text. Save it, and it will be available for use. Return to your online store, go to Themes, and click Customize. Navigate to your product page and add a block for text or dynamic content. Link your new meta field here so it appears on the service page for customers to fill out when placing their order. Once everything is set, review your service page to ensure all the details are correct and easy to understand. That's how you can sell services on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, check the link in the description to try Shopify for just $1. Thank you for watching.